Do you also have dirty and dusty Lego parts laying around? Stay tuned, because we will show you how to clean them S3 Brick Shop style. Let's go! Hi everyone, my name is Stefan, owner of S3 Brick Shop, and we are a Lego reselling store on bricklink and brickowl. In this video I'm gonna show you on how we as a store clean used Lego parts and pieces in the most efficient way. Stay tuned and I hope you learn from it. So first things first, we'll take a salad bowl or a salad tosser and we put our Lego pieces inside. Don't take too much that it's completely filled up. Leave some room for water and yeah. So this way also the pieces won't get damaged. So next thing is we run some water. Important is that the water is not too hot. So especially not over 40 degrees Celsius. So preferably around 25 to 30 degrees, perfect. Or else the pieces might get damaged or warped or even bent. So that's not the idea. A little bit warmer. Yep, that's fine. And these pieces are now barely under. So that's sufficient. I'm gonna add a little bit of soap. A little bit, that's enough. Alright. We put on the lid and gently we start spinning around the Lego. Alright, let's take the lid off. There is some soap on the edges, so we clean this out. There we go. And here we can see our Lego pieces, all soapy for now, but we will rinse them out. Put the pieces back in, put on the lid again. There, lid comes back off. The bathroom is upstairs, so to avoid dripping all the way up, I just put it back in a bowl. And then you can lay it down on a towel or a cloth or whatever you want to let it dry. Just one tip: don't put it in the sunlight, direct sunlight, because it will decolorize your pieces. So as a final step, we will dry the pieces. As you can see, I laid down some towels in the bathroom to spread out the pieces and let them dry. As said, this could take a while depending on humidity, heat. Also, don't put the pieces in direct sunlight because it will decolorize your parts. And to make drying a little bit more speedy, try to spread them out as much as possible, that not too many pieces are laying on top of each other, so they can dry quicker. One last tip that I forgot to mention is when you're done washing, clean your salad bowl. If you have a girlfriend or a wife, as I do, they will kill you if you don't. Yeah, this is not about washing anymore. This is pure survival instinct. Always clean up after yourself. Thank me later. Bye bye.